Hi, I'm Paula Snow with eXp Realty, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of 3 model homes for DSLD. My parents are in a DSLD home, and they have been very happy and satisfied with their home. This builder takes pride in their work, and they put in some beautiful finishing touches. And one of the things that really sold my parents on this builder was that the builder does several follow-ups after closing. So they do I think it's a 30-day walkthrough that they come and do with the buyers after closing, and then another 6-month walkthrough, and then another walkthrough at 1 year. So a lot of builders, you've got the 1-year warranty, but you have to reach out to the builder in order to get them to come out. This builder really cares about customer satisfaction. They want to be proactive, and therefore they make sure that they schedule those follow-up visits to make sure that any of the buyers' concerns are addressed. So the plans we're going to be looking at today are the Cornell plans are addressed. So the plans we're going to be looking at today are the Cornell plan, which is 1,569 square feet. The Dogwood plan is 1,660 square feet, and the Oakstone plan, which is 1,906 square feet. So come along and check these out. So this is the Dogwood plan that we are going to check out. And this is a 3-bedroom plan. It's got 2 full bathrooms. As you can see when you walk in, beautiful 10-foot ceilings, very open, luxury vinyl flooring. You could see some lovely light fixtures that the builder does. They've got an island with quartz counters in the kitchen. They also do a really nice backsplash, stainless appliances, nice hardware on the cabinets, large sink. This is a space where the fridge would go. This plan is really unique in that it has 2 pantry spaces. So this pantry is a walk-in space. And then you've got a smaller pantry, perfect for dry goods. So the way the plan is designed, this would be the living room area over here, and then this space here would be for a dining room table. Most of their plans have a covered back porch area. And just keep in mind that the backyard space is going to vary from neighborhood to neighborhood. So this is the covered back porch area here. And all of the bedrooms are down one hallway. So master bedroom. And they all come with ceiling fans. Master bathroom has a soaking tub as well as a nice walk-in shower. The toilet is in a separate room, and this floor plan has 2 walk-in closets in the master bathroom. This one is definitely bigger than the other one. Second bedroom. Also comes with a walk-in closet. And this is the second bathroom. Third bedroom. And as you can see, also walk-in closet for this bedroom. And laundry area, the washer and dryer. There's some cabinet space above the washer and dryer and the garage area. So most of the water heaters are in the garage. The builder does do metal stairs, and then heading up into the attic, this builder puts the heat pump up in the attic. Right there. And we've got a little bit of space for storage up in the attic. So the Oakstone is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It's got 1,906 square feet. Again, it's got that very open concept, huge space for the living room. This space here would be for a dining table. As you can see, there's lots of natural light. And then the kitchen is very bright and open. And quartz counters. Again, stainless appliances, a beautiful modern backsplash, and a walk-in pantry over in the corner here. Laundry and garage are right off the kitchen. And there's cabinets above the washer and dryer area, and the garage space. Water heater is in here. Metal stairs, and that is the attic access through the garage. And let's go check out the back porch on this floor plan. So there is a coat closet at the beginning of the hall here, going into the bedroom area. This would be the fourth bedroom. This is the second bathroom. Third bedroom space in here. Second bedroom. Now on this bedroom, it does have a walk-in closet, so I've left that open there. And then the master bedroom. So in the master bath, you've got the soaking tub, you've got the walk-in shower with a glass door, double vanity, quartz counters in the bathrooms, and you've got the framed mirror. This floor plan has one large walk-in closet and the water closet toilet is tucked away over in here.